All right, so here's our Polynesian room. Just got our stuff in here. It's a lock off right there. Gonna come in, first thing we see, nice pictures. Here's the what's this called? Bathroom, that's the word. Here's the bathroom. Nice pictures. Oh, look, they got the mermaids up there. Look, it's got sliding doors so you don't have to see us. Here, let me do that. That way we can see it a little bit better. Nice area there. Nice little shower. We got closet space here. Big time closet space. What's that? Oh, wow. This is like a second shower here. Well, that's the tub. Nice, separate showers. But there was the fun in that. Little area here.
Someone was sleeping on the couch.
What's this called? It's called the
I guess it's a little kitchenette.
Kitchenette. There's our name up there. Yay! Look, there we are. All of this down here. I think this opens up into a bed. This is nice. This is really nice. Look how nice this is. Here's the bed and everything there. First time staying at the Poly. That's a bed too. That comes down as a bed. There's that. This is a bed. This is a Murphy bed, I think, right here.
Oh, it's a little twin bed. So when we bicker and fight and you have to sleep on
No, I'm not sleeping on there. You are, lady. Yes. Yep, nice. Very nice. We got the first floor.
Does the couch open up to a bed?
Yep, that's a bed
So
too.
you can actually sleep 5 in here.
Yeah, you could. You could sleep up to 5 people in this room. So really nice. I don't really know where where's the drawers to put your clothes?
Oh, you don't have any of that? You know what? They said that. Remember our friends, our Disney family was saying that's the one disadvantage to staying here?
There we go.
That there's no place to put your clothes.
Yep, and we
Now,
can't.
there's a closet, I think, but you'd have to hang everything up.
Yeah. Anyway, nice room. I really like it. All right, we're heading to dinner. We'll be having a review on that too. So here you go. I really like all the artwork in here. Love that. Moana up there too. All right, like the room. All right, guys, we'll be back later. And we'll talk to you soon. Later.